FEC don approve 169.7 billion naira for reconstruction for 4 roads under tax credit scheme. Minister for Works and Housing, Babatunde Fashola, don yarn say the result for the council meeting wey President Muhammadu Buhari sidon take chair on Wednesday for Presidential Villa Abuja be say dem don approve road reconstruction under tax credit scheme when Buhari initiate for 2019 after he signed the Executive Order 7 to allow private sector fund public infrastructure in place of tax and balance am over time with tax credits. Dem come approve 95.232 billion naira for Bali to Sheti through Gashaka to Gembu for Taraba State, wey be 234 kilometers.
There's a 20 billion naira provision under the NNPC tax credit scheme that will be used to kickstart this immediately. This is a road that should not suffer from sustained funding challenges. Very critical road. It leads to the Mambila Plateau. It also provides access to the Gashaka Game Reserve and also supports access to many farmlands. And as you know, the Taraba people are predominantly farmers.
Fashola Kontok say dem still approve 74 billion naira for mainstream energy solutions to invest for the reconstruction for 3 roads for Kebbi and Niger states.
The first is the Malandi Yakin Bakangaski Wara Road in Kebbi, 28.345 billion naira. The second road is Mokwa to Nasarawa Road in Niger State, 31.366 billion naira. And the third is Sabongeri Uni Auna Road in Niger State, 14.774 billion naira.
Minister for State Budget and National Planning, Clement Agba, come present memo for Lighthouse Program for Phase 3. He come talk say federal government don fit collect back 5 billion naira from contractors for the Phase 1 and Phase 2.
The aim of this project, Lighthouse Phase 3, is to enhance the debt recovery strategy and initiatives, sustainable long-term gains for the government, building on additional capabilities in the system, and ensure that reliable data sets are mined, generated, and aggregated through interagency collaboration.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.